Follow the step-by-step installation guide to install your new GROHE product easily. You will find the following items in your package. You will need the following tools and accessories for assembly. Before dismantling your old unit, make sure the hot water feed is on the left and that the cold water feed is on the right. Call a professional if that is not the case. Turn off the water supply before dismantling your old unit. Prepare parts and tools with close access to the connections. Take out the installation instructions. Be sure to store them after installation. Screw the S-Union connectors into your fittings in the wall so that they extend by about 42 mm. Screw the escutcheons against the wall. Adjust the spacing so that there is 150 mm between the centers of the escutcheons and then verify they are level. Adjust if necessary. Install the mixer and tighten firmly. The nuts must not touch the escutcheons. Adjust if necessary and verify horizontal positioning. Remove the assembly. Note the depth between the S-Union connectors and the wall. Seal the thread of the eccentric connector using PTFE tape wrapped in the tightened direction. Tighten the S-Union connectors with a 22 mm open-end wrench. Adjust the connectors so that there is a space of 150 mm center to center and the same depth as noted from your previous measurements. Then check their level using a spirit level. Apply a silicone seal between the wall and the eccentric connectors. Screw the escutcheons onto the S-Union connectors. Then remove the red and blue caps from the mixer. Make sure the filters are placed correctly with the rounded side facing inwards. Place the mixer on the S-Union connectors without adding any additional seals. Then tighten the nuts. Use a spirit level to make sure the mixer is level. Adjust it if necessary. Check for leaks by turning on the water supply to the mixer. Make sure the seal in the hose is in the correct position and then screw the end into the mixer. Make sure the single lever mixer is operating properly. Pull the bath shower diverter knob to use the hand shower. Congratulations, you have finished installing your new GROHE product. Check our other installation guides and discover all of our products on grohe.com/UK.